I have created a simpler solution in Blend. In addition to the Kinect region, the user viewer, and the sensor chooser UI controls, this window also contains a KinectTileButton and a KinectCircleButton control. Let's start with the KinectTileButton and see how it can be customized. The first thing to examine is the label. Let's filter the properties with label so that we can see every label-related property together. To change the text of the label, you have to change the label value property. This is simple enough. As you can see, the label is displayed in front of a whitish background. This background color is defined with the label background property and has a 90% opacity. You can also change the horizontal and vertical layout of the label. There is also a label template and a label template selector property. These work similar to other template selectors in WPF. The button has only one foreground color defined, so to change the foreground color of the label, we have to remove the property filter and change the foreground color here. Let me change it to black. The KinectTileButton also has a content property, which works like the content property of the standard WPF button. You can place any visual element here. Some text, an ellipse, or even an image like we did in the previous module. It is worth noting that the KinectTileButton does not honor the click mode property, which changes when the WPF button control fires the click event. The KinectTileButton will always fire the event when your hand is extended and then pulled back a little. This is all what the properties give us. However, since we're dealing with a decent WPF control, we can change the template of it. Right-click, Edit Template, edit a copy, and now we have created a new template for this button. We can open the element hierarchy of the KinectTileButton now and see all the elements that the control is composed of. For example, here is the border which contains the label. I can change its corner radius if rounded corners suit my design better. The KinectTileButton also defines a number of states. Here is the little animation that happens when the hand cursor moves over the button, then presses it. You can easily modify these animations to change the feel of your application.